Jobs for teenagers no longer start and end with grocery bagging, mowing the lawn, and babysitting. But now the time has changed. In 2022, it's easier than ever to make money online without leaving the comfort of your home or even your bedroom. Chances are that you receive an allowance from your parents to do chores around the house as a child. If so, you already know what making your own money is like. If you have never made money a day, that's okay. Now is the time to learn, and I'm here to help you do just that. As a teenager, you can't ask your parents, or you don't want to ask your parents for money. But you still need to pay for expenses like entertainment, clothes, and things you want to do. But you want to earn on your own and looking for make money opportunities. So you have come to the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to show some of the best online jobs for teenagers. Let's jump in. Complete online surveys to earn money from home. Taking surveys may not make you the richest teen on the block, but there's a reason online surveys are so popular. Completing an online survey is very easy. It's easy money, dude. All you have to do is give your opinion or experience, and you can earn rewards. I found some of the best ones for you, including Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, and Swagbucks. You build a profile, and they match you to certain surveys that fit your criteria. When you complete the survey, you can earn virtual rewards. These virtual reward points can be redeemed for PayPal and e-gift cards. So why not both have fun and make some money in your spare time? Hey, are you a teenage musician or just a huge music lover who always has earbuds? If you are, then you should make money online. Slice the Pie is a website where you rate and review music and get paid. You can also browse fashion items, accessories, and advertisements. Your reviews are then sent to these content creators so that they can get feedback from users. How it works is you are sent pieces of music, and Slice the Pie asks you to listen to it for at least 90 seconds. Then you give the track a rating out of 10 and write a review about what you like or dislike about the song. You'll earn anywhere from 5 to 15 cents for every review you submit. If you enjoy writing, chances are you'll enjoy proofreading. If your grammar is great, that's great. Companies like Textmaster or Mturk, part of Amazon, will allow you to make money even in your teens. You are proofreading other people's work. This is the best online job if you are hoping to make a career in copywriting or editing. Not only do you get paid for each job, but you're slowly building work experience for your resume. You can also work on Fiverr. People are looking for freelancers who can proofread ebooks, articles, transcriptions, academic publications, etc. You should set your prices per 250 or 500 words and determine what you are proofreading for. For example, are you simply offering to correct grammar and spelling, or looking closely at voice and clarity of ideas? It's more time-consuming. Do you have a few hours to spare each week? If so, you can become a call reviewer for a company that provides outsourced customer service. Call reviewers provide feedback on calls and help improve the quality of customer service. The task is simple, and you will listen to the recording of the call and then give feedback. You will be asked to rate the call based on various factors, such as how the caller was treated, how the problem was resolved, and how the call was delivered. If you are interested in becoming a call reviewer, you should know a few things. First, you must have excellent listening skills and be able to think quickly on your feet. You should also be able to provide constructive feedback that can help improve the customer experience. Data entry work is a great way to make some extra money, and it can be done from the couch of your own home. Several companies are looking for people to do data entry work, and most of them provide online training so that you can learn the basics of the job. The best thing about data entry work is that you can set your hours, so it's perfect for those who want to work part-time. Working as a customer service representative can be both challenging and rewarding. The work can be demanding, as customer service representatives often deal with angry or frustrated customers. However, helping to solve a customer's problem and seeing them happy can also be satisfying. Customer service representatives must be able to handle a wide variety of situations and have excellent communication skills. They need to stay calm under pressure and think on their feet. You can find clients from freelancing sites such as Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Bloggers, entrepreneurs, and others don't always enjoy the social media aspect of their business. They hire virtual assistants or social media experts to run their accounts. Also, if you're up to date on the latest social media trends and hacks, you could be exactly what they want on their team. Tutoring jobs are one of the best online jobs for teenagers. If you are an excellent student in English, science, math, or any other core subject, you can get a much better paying tutoring gig better than the survey sites and still work from home around your schedule. You no longer have to meet strangers at the library or coffee shops for a tutor. You can also contact your clients through email or social media through this remote job. Try tutorm.com for starters. Private tutoring jobs usually offer more money. If you want to tutor college students later in life, it always helps to build up tutoring experience as a teenager. If you are a budding photographer or videographer and have some outlandish skills, start giving your content some exposure. Selling your photos or videos on stock photography websites is another great way to make money online as a teenager. Not to mention, stock photos and videos are also a great passive income idea. Once you take photos or videos and upload them to a site, you get paid every time people download them. Being a YouTuber can be a lot of fun, but just like starting a blog, you'll need to build an audience before the real money comes in. But when you're young, it's a great time to start building a backlog of YouTube videos for your channel. The number one thing you will need is a passion for your niche. Whether it's fashion, literature, furniture, Motown records, video games, or personal finance, your energy and passion for your content can draw viewers to your YouTube channel. As your audience grows, so will opportunities for you to earn extra money through Google AdSense ads and affiliate marketing. Social media is very powerful, creating many online jobs and earning opportunities for the youth. So what are you waiting for? Companies need users to test websites and mobile apps before and after they go live. Otherwise, how will they know about common problems that customers may encounter? If you want to test sites and apps, try usertesting.com or testingtime.com for starters. The minimum age requirement on these sites is 17 or 18 years. They pay by the review, so you can work while killing your time. You can also use a product review website like producthunt.com and a mobile app review site like App Annie. These sites search through reviews from users to find the most popular apps and websites in their categories. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online as a teen in 2022. You can start by looking for online surveys and rating products, or you can start selling products online. Finally, you can also look into online job opportunities or start a small business. Well, that brings us to an end. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.